There are two specific features that I want to show you which are just mind blowing. You can use this watch to navigate as well as create round trips for yourself. But first, you need to download the maps on the watch, and to do that, you need to go into the Zap app on your phone, go in device, and here go in map management. From here, you can select the area of the map that you want to download. Then you can select whether you want a base map, ski map, or contour map, and then just download it, and it will be transferred to your watch. On the watch, you need to go in the apps and here go in map and then wait for the GPS to connect. Now, once the GPS is connected, you can explore different areas of the map by just scrolling. You can zoom in and out of the map using these buttons here. But the features that I want to show you exist in this menu here. Tap on this button, go in navigation, and here go in explore nearby. And from here you can actually explore nearby things like convenience store, restrooms, coffee shops, parks, bar, restaurants, emergency, art, outdoor, nature, lodging, sports, transportation, and a lot of other stuff. So let's say if we go in nature, it will search your location and will bring up different things related to nature like parks or something like that that are around you in this search results here. Another fantastic feature on this watch is that you can tap on any point on the map and it will give you the option to navigate to that point. And then you can just tap on this button here and it will show you the distance to that location. You can then turn on the straight line navigation or route navigation. If you select that, it will give you the workout option that you want to do. Let's say we want to do outdoor running, and then it will start to calculate the route. Now, sometimes it works pretty well and will calculate the route in few seconds, but other times it will just glitch like it is doing right now and will not work at all. But when it works well, it gives you navigation like this, turn by turn, which you can follow on the watch. Another fantastic thing you can do here is that you can create a round trip route. So if you go in here, you can select the activity that you want to do. Let's say we want to do outdoor cycling. Then you can select the direction, any direction, east, west, south, or north. So let's do that. And then you can select the distance that you want to cover in that direction. So let's say we want to do 15 kilometers and then select that and it will calculate the route for you. And let's see how quickly it does it in real time. All right, so let's reduce the distance. So here, as you can see, that it has created a round trip route for me for this activity, which I can then do. Tap on this button here. I can start the activity or I can also save this route from here.